very dangerous road here. I don't want to tell you what we called it, but it's a very dangerous road. So we had to get it done. And the community had this beautiful idea of how we would get it done.
This park is just another example of what happens when government and community, when everyone works together and takes a step and builds something that permanently makes our community better and more beautiful and more joyous. This is truly a gem in San Francisco's crown. This is one of our most majestic, iconic public spaces in a city that is filled with majestic, iconic public spaces. And I am so proud of this park, and I think we should all be proud as San Franciscans.
This transformation happened because people came together. It happened because the people here and across the city understand the value that this park would bring to our city.
This project serves as a proof that safety and mobility can go hand in hand with providing beautiful spaces for everyone to enjoy. The Presidio Parkway serves as an inspiration to all planners and designers across the nation. I know it was a personal inspiration for me as somebody who's worked in the Bay Area for the past 17 years. Even though I was not necessarily involved with this project directly, I often drove by just to watch the progress. One of my proudest moments was coming out here as we celebrated the opening of the tunnel tops. And I'll tell you, I looked around to see the community and the excitement, and it's one of the most gratifying things you could ever see. Only 10 years ago, this space was looking very differently. And it's hard to believe what we've done to transform it into a cultural, educational, and recreational destination for all San Franciscans and visitors from all across the world.
Many of us remember a very different view of Doyle Drive cutting straight through the Presidio. Today, this feels natural, like it's always been part of our city. And that is a testament to the care and thoughtfulness that went into this project. The Presidio Parkway made this area safer for drivers and more accessible and welcoming for our residents and visitors. It turned roads into a place where families come to play. It opened up space where kids can run free, where people can meet for coffee or a picnic, all the while enjoying our beautiful view of the Golden Gate Bridge and the San Francisco Bay.
When it comes to P3, the key word in that is partnership. And in a time like we are in today, where divisive rhetoric seems to rule the day, this can continue to serve as an inspiration for us of how to get things done. very focused on something called the core four. The four most important things that I think we need to do to lift up transportation and help serve people in this state better. And those four things are safety, climate action, economic prosperity, and equity. But I'll say specifically about safety and how important it is. At the time when this project was done, the structures on the parkway had a seismic rating of a 2, not 2 out of 10, 2 out of 100. That's how dangerous and bad the structures were on this roadway. And because of a lot of the efforts, again, from Iridium and others, Caltrans, Calsta, this roadway got fixed and repaired and got done.
We have reimagined what this could be into a beautiful, equitable space. It has opened up in a very equitable way access to this beautiful corner of San Francisco for everyone in the community. So thank you, Speaker Pelosi, seriously, for your strong leadership on this project, really every project, because you are the queen of infrastructure.
This is about community. It's personal as our pets, as grand as protecting the environment, honoring the military that was here, was good stewards before. It's about everything that is San Francisco.